Welcome, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So open first the home screen, just pinch on, you'll see here the service widgets icon. Here you'll see all of the available applications with widgets we could add. For example, let's add the calendar one. Just select one from the available widgets which you want to add, tap add to home screen, and that's it. If you want to move widgets on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. Also, we could move it between the screens to create a new screens with a widget. To edit the widget, hold it for a while, tap to edit. You could switch here some settings. And to remove it from the home screen, hold and tap to remove icon, then confirm your action by tap to remove button. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.